Okay. Go.
It's a pretty blue jumper.
That was so close.
Mario.
Oh god. Did you even pull that? Oh.
When I played, I had 100. Dang it! Don't hurt me!
Pull one, Marley. Hold up, I want to do it. Just pull it. Don't pull it. Don't hold it so close, but pull it.
Pull.
Pull it.
Pull it hard!
Do it. Do it.
Weenie, do it, do it. Hold on hard.
Ah.
She jumped.
Do it.
Do it. Pull.
Yeah, you better hold it away from you and just pull. Just pull.
Wait, you did 4.
Do it.
Oh, Marley, hold on. Ready? 1. Hold it out. 2, 3, 7. Marley! Blue one. Hold on. Okay? Tight. Marley! Here. What? Here's a blue one. Oh no! I got a blue one. Plug into the computer.
Ah!
The wire. What?
Oh, that was smoky.
Away from you. Okay. No, what is it? The white one. Marley! Hold on. Tight, okay? Marley! Whoa! Hold on. Hold it. Darn it. Not that close. Ready? Marley!
Just pinch it in between her fingers. Like, put your fingers out there and pinch it.
Pinch them. Really tight. I'm almost done with it. What? Marley! Let's do it. Can you do this? Oh, do you know how to do this?
Those are so creepy.
I like it as crispy. Cool, did you blow up the blue one?
Yeah. What does the blue one do?
Same thing.
Oh.
Blue.
It's just blue.
Lame.
How many are you doing at a time?
3.
Ah!
No, 4. I'm gonna do 4.
Oh my gosh!
Creepy.
That was a gay one.
Oh, 5.
Oh gosh, okay.
Alright. Oh, I'm really scared. Oh, you can't do 5.
Just do it hard.
Oh, that's too close. You can't do 5.
No!
3. 3. Wait, look at this. Cole found the blue one. Mama, Cole found the blue one.
Ew. Oh god. Here, you see it? It's right over there. Look.